Okay, so in this video, we're going to be briefly looking at the different trading styles when it comes to trading Forex. So let's go to the next slide. So there are about four different main styles of trading. There's probably lots of subcategories within these categories, but these are like the main four. So along the top here, we've got scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Now, each one of these requires different level of strategy, I guess, or different level of patience. Depends on the individual, their experience, and basically what style suits them. Me personally, I am between a scalping or scalper and a day trader. I fall between these two. That's mainly because the strategy I use can sometimes just last. But I can be in a trade for just a few minutes to be in a trade all day. I don't like holding trades overnight, so I will close them at the end of the day, which is why I'm fall between scalping and day trading. So I'm just going to be looking at those right now. So the duration of a trade of a scalper is very short term. It's typically minutes, but like I said, the strategy I'll be teaching inside the community um, can also last for several hours as well throughout the day. Um, the trading time frames we mainly focus on. I like to find my entry exactly on a 15 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame. As you remember, each one of those candles are worth different value of time. That's what this means right here. But when it comes to doing my analysis, I do a top-down analysis, which means I start by looking at what the weekly is doing, which is a W there for weekly. Then I go down to a daily 4 hour one. I work my way down through each of these time frames to do my analysis. Okay, but I enter my trades. I find an entry on the 1 minute, 5 minute, or the 15 minute. So I fall within the scalping um, column right there. And how active am I monitoring the trade? I would say again, because I'm between scalping and day trading, it is between these two. Sometimes if there's a lot of volatility in the market, if it's moving up and down quite quickly and fluidly, I would probably consider myself to be more very active on the trade and monitoring it quite a bit. If I know the trade can take a little while to play out, like it's going to take a few hours, I just be checking every hour or so. So I'm actively checking it, but I'm not there staring at the charts. Um, so a lot of people come into trading, they'll start probably on a scalping, and then I find that the more experienced traders or people who've been in it a long time, they tend to move on to swing trading, which is holding your trade uh, for days or even weeks at a time. I personally don't have a patience to do that. Maybe one day I will. I don't know, but I'm not there yet. But I like to be in and out of the market fairly quickly. I think my anxiety will get too high if I'm in a trade for a few days or a few weeks, but I don't know. I'll have to give it a go. But that might be something that suits you better. You've also got to think about when you fit in trading around your lifestyle. If you haven't got time to sit in front of a computer, you can't do it because of a job you're in. You can't constantly check your the charts or jump on a computer every hour. Then maybe swing trading is a great entry point for you. And then once you're able to get more time in your hands and more time to look at charts, you can maybe have a look at scalping or day trading. But generally, if people start as swing trading, they tend to stay there because they just like it. But me, I prefer a more fast-paced environment. I work better a bit under pressure. So I like scalping and day trading. Then we got the position trading, which is more like investing. It's basically what we're doing, but investing long term, where they open a trade, they're having a look at the monthly chart, they're having a look at a weekly and a daily, and literally their trade could take weeks or months, or even years there to play out. They're looking well in the future of where price could go. They open a trade and they just leave it. Maybe they'll check it every month or whatever just to see how it's going, make sure nothing changed in the market. Um, but but yeah, I definitely couldn't do that one again. That's probably something I'll do much further down the line. But then I'd probably never do position trading. Might try it one time, I don't know. But swing trading, I'm more likely to try in the future. I'm more likely to stick with it. But for now, I'm a scalper or a day trader. Um, and that is what my strategy is based on. So until my strategy stops working or I get tired of it and I want to try something new, this is where I'll be. And when you come into my community, this is what I'll be teaching you. I'll be teaching you the scalping / day trading strategy. So that's it for now. Those are the main trading styles. And eventually you'll find your place. And most people want to come in as a day trader. That's what they see online. That's what they see on Instagram. They say everybody's a day trader, but sometimes holding a trade all day is just not suitable for that individual. It's all about fitting trading around your current lifestyle. So you might come in and you'd be able to scalp in the morning before you go to work, or during your lunchtime, or in the evening, where you just want to get in and out of the market quickly, make a few quid, and then you're done. But if you got a lot more time on your hands day trading, you might want to enter a trade in the morning, let your trade run throughout the day, and then close it at the end of the day. Okay, that's it for now. We'll catch you in the next video.